Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Island BD. This is not a tutorial video. Rather, this is a sponsored video on behalf of TubeBuddy. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscriber because I have recently hit 25,000 subscriber count, and this has helped me to get TubeBuddy free upgrade. That is a TubeBuddy Legend upgrade. As some of you know, probably that TubeBuddy provides the free upgrade depending on the subscriber count. So as I have recently got 25,000 subscriber, I applied for it and I got 10 days free trial for trying out TubeBuddy Listen. For Bangladeshi viewers, I would like to provide Bangla subtitles below so that you can understand this video and the benefits of trying this TubeBuddy. Well, before I got this Legend upgrade, I have tried the free version of TubeBuddy, and I have seen how helpful it is. Now, as you can see that I have got the upgrade for 9 days remaining. So this is a sponsored video, and I hope that they will provide me 2 months of free trial for this upgrade, and it is just a video to show you that how helpful the TubeBuddy is. For the purpose of showing you the benefits of using TubeBuddy, I would like to show you by uploading a recently made video. I would like to talk about and show you the process how you can get more subscriber and more viewers using these TubeBuddy Legend or Pro features, or sometime you can use the TubeBuddy free tool as well. But believe that TubeBuddy is the best I have seen in terms of keyword research and finding the right tags and description for the YouTube video. So without further ado, I'd like to show you uploading a video, how it can be used for maximum benefit. So first of all, you have to go to TubeBuddy option. You can see here and then click Launch Keyword Explorer. You have to write here what would be the possible keyword or title of your video. For example, let's say my lesson is of class 8, 3.2.1, class 8, 3.2.1. Let me explore. You can see the search is very poor. So if I give the title, this is not going to work. This is the unweighted version of the result that is showing 24 out of 100. But for weighted, only the premium member or paid member or the member like me who has got a free upgrade can see the real weighted result, which is 17 out of 100. Now I can try for various keywords if I'd like to try. If I would like to put a more detailed title for this chapter, let's see what happens. Class 8, Language and Power. 3.2.1. You can see the excellent search result is 80% and unweighted result is 69. So you need to know that the weighted result should be the better result from TubeBuddy. Now I can use this title for my video. So that is the part of the title I have used. Now I would like to show you how I can find the best tags for this title and video. Let me copy. Let me go to YouTube. If I search this in my YouTube search bar, Now at right hand side you can see that I have lot of tags over here. Okay, so these are the tags with lot of power. Have the bigger bar, you know, here class 8 English chapter, language and power, class 8 English chapter. So these are the heavy keywords. So if I use these keywords, my video will get more views. To copy this, I can click here, okay, the number that I want to include in my tag. Then I can copy from here and put in the video. This is how I can enjoy TubeBuddy for the maximum benefit. I have been doing this for a long time using the same techniques, and I have been very happy to see the result. For viewers who have got YouTube channel, I hope you are going to get a good result like me. So don't be late, try it out. Now you can see I just uploaded the video and gave the necessary title. I have thought of the title. This title has been suited and it has got more keyword score. And you can also see that there are important tags that I have copied from there. And there are also some tags you can see. These are all relevant tag. If you closely monitor, there are other keywords depending on the chapter. So if I say relevance, these keyword will come according to the relevant title, and if I put keyword score, they will show also the keyword score. So these are based on keyword scores and relevance altogether. So you can also refresh a score. Let me see what happens, you know. So they have shown according to the score. Okay, so you can use this. If I put here class 8 new book 2024 English, if I press that, that will come automatically to the tag box and you can use these tags effectively. Try TubeBuddy for the best outcome.